out to all the girls. And, but we are going to fuck with it just because we want to fuck with it. So we're going to play another one. Let's play Blood on the Page. Love it. Yeah. We've got more professional in the last 7 years. Okay. Are you okay? You all right? Yeah. Are you all right there? Yes. Well done.
How are you?
Yeah, fantastic. We good?
Yeah.
All right. Stay right where you lay, right where we left off. Still, can we be still, even in chaos? I will not lie, I will not lie, till you straight. I will not lie, I will not lie. But wait, there's blood on that page. I'm in over my head, over mine. But wait, there's blood on that page. I'm in over my head, over mine. Veil over my eyes, over the plans we laid. And then I cannot help, it's over my pay grade. No need to be held on, you said. And you would not lie, you would not lie. But wait, there's blood on that page. I'm in over my head, over mine. But when there's blood on that page, and I'm in over my head, over mine. But call me out late, call me in a slip, I'll still run to your side. And call me out late, call me anytime you like. I